This is going to be a video tutorial on how to locate your saved jobs on Monster. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To locate your saved jobs, you want to go up to the top up here to these little icons, and the one that looks like a little heart, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Job Tracker. You want to click on the heart icon. In the page that opens up, the pane off to the left side, you'll scroll down just a tiny ways. Right here are saved jobs. You could go down lower. I haven't been on Monster for quite a long time, so you could click on Show More. It'll show you more. Down below that, it says In Progress. Those are supposedly jobs that you have applied for and you're being considered. Below each category, there's a Show More button. You could scroll down further and it's jobs you have applied for. You could click on Show More if you want to see the jobs that you have applied for. But if you scroll towards the top here, there's a little drop down here. You could cut it down a little bit. You could click on Save Jobs right here, Applied Jobs, jobs that you're interviewing for. I'm going to click on Saved, and it will list your saved jobs here. I liked the setup before. It was a little bit better before. This is the way they've changed it now. But that is how to locate your saved jobs on Monster. Thanks for watching.